Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your bank account to eBay. So what you need to do is go right here up to the right corner where you will see my eBay. Go with your mouse over and it will open up a drop down menu and search for payments. Now here you can add card and accounts. So you can press this plus button. And now you will select for what you will use this payment for. So check out actions and auctions and offers. So let's go with just checkout, continue. Right here you will select what payment method you want. So maybe let's go with that one and type in right here your credit or debit card information, and that's basically it. You need to be aware that eBay may require verifying your account via small deposit verification or by logging into their secure portal. So if you want to replace an old account, you must delete the existing one first. So yeah, this is basically how you can create your bank account. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.